traveler packing a suitcase looking excited for the trip. Hey there! Are you ready to embark on your next big adventure? Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise, exploring a bustling city, or simply taking a relaxing getaway, the excitement of packing your suitcase and planning your journey is unmatched. Planning that dream vacation? It's always thrilling to map out your destinations, imagine the experiences you'll have, and anticipate the memories you'll create. The world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. Excited about your next adventure? The anticipation of new sights, sounds, and cultures can be exhilarating. You can almost feel the sand between your toes, the taste of exotic cuisine, and the joy of discovering hidden gems. But hold on a sec. Amidst all this excitement, have you ever paused to think about what could go wrong? It's not the most pleasant thought, but it's an important one. What if things don't go as planned? Imagine arriving at the airport only to find out your flight has been delayed or even canceled. Or worse, what if you lose your luggage or face a medical emergency in a foreign country? Flights can be delayed, plans can change, and unexpected events can pop up out of nowhere. These are real possibilities that can turn your dream vacation into a stressful ordeal. That's where travel insurance steps in. Travel insurance is your safety net, providing coverage for a range of unexpected situations. From flight cancellations and lost luggage to medical emergencies, it ensures that you're not left stranded. With TBS Global Travel, you can easily add travel insurance to your booking and protect yourself from the unexpected. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of headaches and financial strain down the road. Imagine this. With just a click, you add travel insurance and, bam! All those worries melt away. You can book your trip with confidence, knowing that you're covered no matter what happens. Travel stress-free, knowing that you're covered for every surprise life throws your way. Whether it's a sudden illness, a missed connection, or a natural disaster, travel insurance has got your back. Whether it's a last-minute cancellation or an unexpected delay, you're in safe hands. You won't have to scramble to make new arrangements or worry about the financial implications. Picture yourself here, on a beach, totally carefree. The sun is shining, the waves are gently crashing, and you have nothing to worry about because you're fully covered. That's the magic of booking with TBS Global Travel and adding travel insurance. It's the peace of mind that allows you to fully immerse yourself in your vacation, knowing that you're protected. So what are you waiting for? Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from experiencing the trip of a lifetime. Book now at tbsglobaltravel.com and make your next trip worry-free with travel insurance. It's a small investment for a huge return and peace of mind. Travel smart, travel secure. With TBS Global Travel and Travel Insurance, you're not just booking a trip, you're ensuring a smooth, enjoyable, and worry-free experience.